Hi everyone. This was a unique project that we had recently. It was for a HP EliteDesk 800 G1 small form factor business computer. It was purchased on Amazon as a Christmas present. So on Christmas they were using it for a couple of minutes online. Then this Ascension company, this device has been frozen screen appeared. At first, my first thought, I was wondering if the computer was hacked, and that it was just a scam, which you can see at times. But after looking into it, the phone number was legit. It was the real Ascension help desk number. I played phone tag with Ascension IT for more than a week. Found out that the computer was marked for disposal. So at least it wasn't a stolen computer, because then we would have to return it back to Ascension for them. So at that there was nothing I could do at that point. So I had to wait for them on their end to call me back. I couldn't fix it, and so eventually I got a call. It took more than like one and a half weeks to resolve this. The message went away on its own, and then nothing I had to do. It wasn't the Amazon seller's fault, because the computer wasn't locked up at that point.